Back with the Renegade here. We just did the front headlights into the LEDs, and just like that always goes, when you do the headlights, the fog lights then look super lame. So gonna do the same thing on the bottom here and show you how to do it here. You can see a little comparison here at night, or let's call it dusk, with the fog light bulbs. You know, they just look different. It's not like they're bad, they still put out light, but if you wanted to match or at least kind of look like they're meant to be, you should really do all four. So let's get this going here. It does help to turn your wheels. There's this little like access door here you're trying to get to, and to get to them, it's a plastic screw right up there. I mean, this is well documented on the internet. If it's been like used and abused and done a bunch, you could strip this out. I mean, it's really just like a plastic push pin with a screw that locks it in place. I ended up being able to remove mine with an offset screwdriver. If that works for you, that's fine. I mean, it seems like though it'll kind of come out fairly easily there, but if these do end up breaking on you, you could just go to like AutoZone and get some push-in ones that are force fit. I mean, odds are you're not going to be doing this again, but who knows. So let me get into here and show you what we got. The whole door just comes right off. How about that? Got our dates there. It says Mopar. There's our washer fluid pump, if that ever goes out on you. I guess that's easy to find. And then if we peek inside there, if you can see the white writing there with the kind of circular outline, that's our fog light housing. So we're going to go ahead and twist that counterclockwise and see if it removes. And there it is, a simple counterclockwise twist, and it's out of there. And we have our connector there, which yeah, looks to be just a pressure fit. So remove that, put the LED in. So there's our factory halogen, there's our new LED. Pretty obvious. You know, there's a million different brands of these. I'll link this one below. It seems to be working great though, you know, as far as like install and fit and finish and all that, and you'll see some after pictures here, videos, but you know, just so it's an H11, and you know, if you're going for an H11, I'd say look up this one and compare it to your needs. But yeah, you know, it's they're all about the same. This one has, I don't know, 50,000 hour lifespan. It's waterproof. It's got that nice white look to it. So let's get this installed here. With it being gray, you can now see that in there, that silverish gray bulb, and that's it right there installed. So pretty simple plug and play, other than taking off this little cover. But I mean, if the bulb ever fails, you'll be doing this anyways. So it's kind of just right in there. There's the wheel, front of the car, and that's it. I'll reinstall the cover. Passenger side is a little different. It looks like we might have an AC evaporator there. Not sure, but you can see the bulb right there. It's pretty simple, same as our before. You remove the cover and that's it. But there's your access right there. So it was a pretty easy swap. I will say, don't make the mistake I did. I totally forgot these are considered the cornering lamps. I thought these were the cornering lamps, but when you turn like to the passenger side, the fog light comes on if they're off, and then if you turn to the driver's side fog light comes on. Because I was like, why is only one light staying on? As you can see here, it's they kind of do that. But you know, easy plug and play H11s. I'll have a link below if you're interested in the ones I used here. And but that's pretty much it. We'll have a little more on the Renegade here. A few other things I want to do. I'd really like to figure out a hitch situation for the back, just because it just needs one for whatever. And I really like the built-ins, like to the bumper, the factory one, but I just don't know if I'm looking to spend $800 on a hitch setup. But you know, we're at roughly 30-some thousand miles. It's holding up well, no issues. And yeah, so thanks for watching. We'll see you next time here at Rubber City Motoring. Subscribe for more on the Renegade. And if you have any suggestions on what to do to it or things to do to improve it, let me know. Thank you.